Hello and welcome back to another cooking video. This is a super quick fish curry which I found from the BBC Good Food website. I have some chopped tomatoes, some onions. I'll only need one onion apparently. I'm not sure how many this serves, but it's apparently a really quick recipe, only 10 minutes. So not heard of curry being made in 10 minutes before, but this is a fish curry. But even I thought fish takes longer than that to cook. It didn't actually specify which kind of fish, but I've got cod fillets. It also didn't say how much to use either, so that's going to be interesting. I have garlic. I have a vegetable stock pot to make stock. I need 200 milliliters of that. I've never used a stock pot before, so I'll have to work that out. Salt and pepper. It doesn't actually say you need salt and pepper, but I might just sneak it onto my fish nonetheless. I said vegetable oil. I only have corn oil and olive oil, so I'm going to use the corn oil today. And I also have some curry paste, which I don't think I've used curry paste before either. Madras paste pots. It did actually specify pataks in the recipe, so I think this is might well be the exact pot they used. So, looking forward to it. Here we go. Okay, the recipe states 1 large onion, and these aren't exactly large, so I might just chop 2, even though I don't really want to, since I'll probably cry whilst attempting to cut these, so we'll see. Oh, my eyes are already watering a bit just from cutting off the ends of one of them. Wow, okay. Whoa! Steady on my eye! Okay. Wow. This is surprising. Maybe these are extra cruel onions. I'm not sure how small to chop them up, so this is going to be, work, I guess. Don't really know how to even do it. Oh, I still have no chopping board, as you can see. After my old wooden one fell apart. Definitely going to get a like a plasticky one next time. Whatever they're made out of, acrylic possibly. Well, my finger's already healed from my thumb from the other day when I was using the grater, not the grater, the peeler. The metal peeler I have. What was I using it for? Was it the apple crumble? Yes, I think it was from peeling the apple for the apple crumble last time, which was, I think, a success. I didn't even need any cream or custard. I don't actually like custard that much. Oh, last time I tried it, which was quite a while ago. I always go for cream over custard. Maybe I should make some custard of my own. Ah, there's an idea. Maybe I should make some cream of my own. That's a better idea. I have a feeling cream isn't going to be that complicated. On to the next one. I'm doing this completely wrong. Maybe I should learn how to cut an onion the right way. So fiddly. Especially with this fairly small knife as well. I think they're supposed to be a fair bit smaller than I've chopped them at the moment. Whoa! Oh! I am not to be trusted with sharp objects. Yeah, Gordon Ramsay always says, let the knife do the work. But my knife's a bit lousy in size. Now we need 1 garlic clove chopped. Is this good enough? Doesn't look like a whole lot, to be honest. You know, I like garlic, so I think I'm going to do another one. Should really have a board, shouldn't I? So, the oil, some oil going in. Not exactly sure how much to put in, to be honest, but maybe more, I don't know. Why not? In go the onions and the garlic. Which we're supposed to fry for about 5 minutes. Okay, I just boiled some water, and now we need 200 milliliters of vegetable stock. So I guess I pour in 200 milliliters of boiling water. Hopefully this plastic doesn't melt. Now I'm going to add in the cube. So, wait, how do you open this? Here we go. And I guess you just give it a good mix. I've never done this before. In the instructions for the cube, it actually said to use 400 milliliters. So hopefully this will work out. Hang on. There you go. We got a good mix. Ah! That wasn't clever. Didn't seem to be dissolved. That's been on there for about 5 minutes. Now I'm going to use my Patak's curry paste, about a tablespoon. No, 1 to 2 tablespoons it said. So it might even be the whole thing. This is, I think, quite strong. I mean, it seems silly not to use the entire pot, but I don't know. I have a feeling it's going to be quite chilly if I do. Now this is meant to be stir fried for another 2 minutes, 1 to 2 minutes. I did not have the knife to be cutting cod, let me tell you. Look at that mess. I'm not sure if that's going to be enough or if I should open this pack. I don't really want to be making another travesty like that, but I have a feeling there's not going to be a whole lot of curry in this, a whole lot of sauce, so we'll see how it goes. Okay, in goes a ton of tomatoes. And in goes the stock. Oops, most of it is on my soaked into my wooden spoon, but here we go. And then give that a good stir. By the way, I did take it off the heat because I did end up chopping that other cod. I read in the review that the more fish the merrier, and that it's meant to serve 4 people, so I hope this isn't going to be too tomatoey. Hopefully maybe I should have put all the chili in after all. Let's trust in the system. You know what, I'm not going to be using this for anything else, so it'll probably just get thrown away, so I'm going to add in the rest of the paste. Go! If it can go in. Oh, now it doesn't want to go in. Here we go. I did read just now in a review that someone complained that their bolti mix was too mild. And there was not enough spices and too much tomatoes, and it was more like a stew than a curry, so that's why I'm thinking again. Added the fish now. Not sure how spicy this is going to be. I think I'm not going to add any pepper. I'll just add some salt. It doesn't actually say anything about salt in the recipe, surprisingly. So that's just me. Maybe they assume you're just going to do it yourself, so that probably wasn't even enough. I'm assuming there's probably some salt in that curry paste though. So apparently this only takes 5 minutes, so that's kind of hard to believe if it's true. 5 minutes to cook white fish, really? Hope I don't get poisoned or I'll be doing some suing. So this has been the fish has been in here for I think 6 minutes just to be safe, and I can't really tell if it's done. I've never had fish in a curry before, well I've never had cod in a curry before. I'm going to risk it. I'm going to take it off the heat now, and we're going to, I've just warmed up some rice, and let's see how it's turned out. And here we are, an extremely quick, as promised, fish curry, cod curry. You're right, it doesn't exactly look, well it kind of does. The moment of truth has come. So, I've had pilchard curry before, I don't think I've ever had a cod curry before. So let's go. Okay, that's hot. I don't think I tasted much flavour because I was just trying to avoid burning my tongue. So, try that again. Well, it looks I think it is cooked. You know, I'm not really a fish expert, but it doesn't feel like it's raw. So that's fine. Now the sauce itself is it's not chili. Again, it's always kind of hard to judge when it's just straight out the pan and steaming like this. Certainly, it doesn't taste like a spicy chili curry. This is actually classified as hot ×3, and I can't taste that, to be honest. I can't taste that. I don't think that represents this. unless it kicks in once it cools down, but of course when you use rice absorbs a lot of the flavours sometimes as well. If I were to use a naan bread or something, the flavour would be more apparent. But you know, for a quick and easy meal to make, I'm happy with it. I'm not tasting a whole lot of flavour, so I would add more. So I would probably chop up a chili. Do you put pepper in curries? I haven't heard of people putting pepper in curries, but I don't know. There's not. Obviously, this is seems to be a healthy meal, and you know, this is fine. Well, I tasted a bit more flavour that time. But you know, that's the thing with curry. You can add or take away, especially add as much flavour as you want, as much chilies and spices as you want to do. I mean, this is just the basic recipe. You can add whatever you wanted into here. So yeah, I'm happy how this turned out. You know, it wasn't a disaster. Not that complicated either, so I thought, why not just try it? And yeah, I've used vegetable stock for the first time ever, and I've used curry paste for a pot for the first time ever too. So you know, it's trying new things, and I hope to see you join me in future trying new things. So, I've got a whole pan full of this curry left. I might try it with bread, might try it with a spoon. So, bye now, and see you next time. Much better